This video is to show an example of a couple of different AI software for content creation that's available or for answering questions. So we have ChatGPT, U.com, Notion, and also Neeva AI. So I just wanted to show you all those. So most people have played around with and have seen ChatGPT. So I was just, as a trademark attorney for our client, was just, client asked about whether or not they should file something internationally. So I just wanted to see what ChatGPT and all of them would come up with. And so I just asked, what are the considerations? And of course, spelt it a little wrong there, for filing a trademark internationally. So ChatGPT's answer is not that great, actually. U.com, when considering filing a trademark internationally, it's important to consider the different jurisdiction, respective laws and regulations. Well, this is important to consider the cost file. So this isn't the exact considerations I was looking for, and that could just have to do with, the questions that I asked. Neeva AI seemed to give actually the best answer. And something Neeva AI does that's really interesting is it pulls from all these different sources and then cites them to you, which is something that ChatGPT does not do. U.com also kind of cites to some sources. I don't know exactly how they pull it from there. And then Notion. In Notion, I actually asked it to write a blog post on considerations for filing a trademark internationally. So that was a little different. I know in ChatGPT, if we would have asked that. Let's see if the consideration of following businesses that plan to expand their offering. So it actually looks like Neeva AI and Notion in this might have given, I think Neeva actually gave the best answer. The Notion actually did it for purposes of a blog post. And of course, open ChatGPT is just bogged down with so many users. I don't think if you ask U.com to write a blog post, I don't think it does it. Okay, so actually U.com does kind of do a little bit of the writing for you. So I think most of this comes down to how you ask it. And I didn't do the best job of asking the question in terms of what I was really looking for, which is, how should a client, how should someone understand whether or not they should file for a international trademark. That being said, it's just based on the same prompt that I made, which is just what are the considerations for filing a trademark internationally. I kind of like the Neeva response the best. Mostly because they took out this, they had this part in here where it talks about applications consider registering their marks in countries or jurisdictions where they offer their products or services under the mark, as well as those where they intend to use the mark for their products or services, and in which they have an office or manufacturing facility. So smart, looks like they took this one from the USPTO So it's more of a cut and paste things into different wording. So just interesting to see the progression and how different AI software handle different prompts and who can give you the best answer for what purpose. Because it looks like some might be better for writing blog posts, whereas some might be better for actually just giving you an answer. So if you like these, please subscribe below. I'm talking here a lot more about AI and intellectual property in general. Thanks for watching.